So paying your mortgage with your Plastiq is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can use your Plastiq financing pay for your mortgage. So for that, what you have to do is you just need to get a virtual card. So as you guys can see, I'm at this website, which is www.plastiq.com/accept/virtual-payments/. So you just have to apply for a virtual card. What it will do is it will create a virtual card for your account, for your Plastiq account. Then you can use that card pay for your mortgage. So suppose I get the virtual card, I will go to a website of my mortgage. There are different websites for different mortgage companies. You need to go to your mortgage, your company's website, and you just have to log in. If you have a mortgage, you probably have an account as well. You just need to log in and then you need to start paying your mortgage. Whenever you are at the payment section, you will be able to see an option for credit card, Visa card, or MasterCard. You just need to select that option and you can add the virtual card. After getting the virtual card from this website, you just have to come to this website, click on apply now, follow the instruction, and you will get a virtual card from your Plastiq account. Use that card to pay for anything or any mortgage you want. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this really helpful.